I'm Ashton Kofer with Lakeshore Cryotronics, and this is a shortcut video of the MeasureLink MCS software. In this MeasureLink MCS shortcut, we will be learning how to use the sequence pane to combine scripts and make our own custom sequences, as well as utilize the instrument simulator function of MeasureLink. So in other videos, we learned how to use the scripting pane in order to write our own custom scripts that can carry out measurements. But however, using the scripting pane is not necessary. And in most cases, a user doesn't need to build their script from the ground up and can instead combine pre-written scripts in order to make measurements. And this can be all easily done in the sequence pane. To begin, the sequence pane can be opened from the top left corner of the home pane. And in the sequence pane, you're going to find three main sections: the top ribbon for displaying tools for controlling the sequence, the navigation column which shows the order in which scripts are executed, and the UI window in which a user can enter UI parameters for a given script. In this UI window is also where results such as charts, tables, and reports are displayed after a measurement. We're going to start by exploring the tools in the top ribbon of the sequence pane. So first, the start and the stop buttons are used for executing your sequence. The duplicate setup button is used if you want to duplicate this sequence tab and you want to run a sequence again. Next, the measurement button is what allows you to select one of your pre-installed or your registered scripts and it inserts it into the navigation column. Next, this control button is similar to the measurement button and allows you to insert a pause into the navigation column. And next, these clipboard buttons allow you to delete or copy one of your scripts that you put into the navigation column. And then over here, the up and down buttons allow you to rearrange your navigation column. So if we have one of these scripts selected, we can go up or down and we can rearrange the order inside this column. And then finally, the export CSV button becomes available after a script finishes and allows you to export the results into another program. Now, in order to run a sequence, we need to first connect an instrument. So in order to do that, we're going to switch back to the home pane, and then we're going to select System Configuration. And in the top ribbon, we're going to select Add. And let's go ahead and add an M91 fast haul. Now, even though this computer is not physically connected to an M91 at the moment, we can still connect it as a simulator. And this is helpful because we're allowed to create functions and sequences around non-connected devices. We also want to make sure that this M91 is connected in the monitor pane. So let's go ahead and connect that. Next, we're going to go back to the sequence pane and add a couple pre-installed scripts for our demonstration. So to add a script, we're just going to click on the measurement button. We can click on M91 and we can just choose one of the pre-installed scripts that we want to try. So let's click on a couple scripts. And we can also add in a pause button by clicking the control button. And if we want to edit the order of any of these scripts in our navigation column, we can just click on this button up, which changes the order. Now you can see that in the UI window on the right, we can edit the UI parameters for each of the scripts. And this gives the user customization over the script without requiring them to work directly with the code. So if we want to change any of these parameters, we can simply select it and it will change. And now that all of the UI parameters are set, we can simply run the sequence by clicking on the Start button in the upper left-hand corner. And you can see that the results of the sequence were printed in real time in the Results tab to the right. And when the sequence is finished, the data can be exported by clicking the Export CSV button to an external software. In addition, if we wanted to run this sequence again or make any changes to it, we could simply click the Duplicate Setup button, which would duplicate the sequence, and we could again change our UI parameters, and we could run the sequence again. So that will do it for this shortcut video of the MeasureLink MCS software. And to learn more about MeasureLink, please see our additional videos.